So this is how you save in Photoshop. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to save the original file, the PSD, which is a Photoshop document that retains all of the layers here, so you can edit it later. We're also going to save it as just a JPEG. So the first thing you want to do is File, Save As, go to your folder on your desktop, Hula Hoop, make sure it says Save As Type Photoshop PSD. I'm going to just label it something that I know. This is not the one that I'm turning in, so you can just label it something for your own, so you know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to save the original PSD. That is done. Now I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to go Save As Type. I'm going to go down here to do JPEG. This is the one I'm turning in. Do you want to turn it in just like this? No, I will not know who it is. So this is where you go last name dot first name dot hula hoop. Now I didn't change this. I don't want to change that. All I want to do is change the type. Okay, that makes sure it saves how I want it. So go back to desktop, hula hoop. I save it in here. That is done now. So I can, oh, this popped up, so you just click OK. I can minimize this. Now I get my two windows open. To turn it in, I'm going to get my two windows open. I'm going to go Window E to open one file explorer, Window left to snap it to the left, Window E to open a second file explorer, Window arrow right to snap it to the right. I'm then going to go to Desktop, Hula Hoop, find my last name dot first name dot hula hoop JPEG. I'm then going to go over here to P Drive, Clark, MediaTek, and I'm going to choose which period I'm in, period 1. I'm going to find Hula Hoop, and I'm going to click and drag right into there. The end. You are done. Close out your windows. That's it.